Yeah, welcome. Welcome, Sheelavati ma'am, Sonalata ma'am, Sudha ma'am, Kalyan Sundari ma'am, Balaji. Well, good evening, all. Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening. So today and tomorrow we'll discuss about some ICT useful information and communication technology tools for the students. It's very useful for you, for your it's very useful for you people to deliver the content through online, like e-learning methodology to the your students.
நீ அதுல ஒரு டீச்சர்ஸ் கஜுல எனக்கு எழுத கொடுத்தல அது ஒரு லைன் 3 லைன் சமமா இருந்துச்சு ஒரு லைன் இருந்துச்சு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் 3 லைனுக்கு சமம் சரி உங்க என்ன
So the participants are joining. We'll start the session. We'll start the session within 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ramlaga sir.
Yeah. But good evening, Roger sir. Good evening.
Sound கேட்கல.
Sound? 1 minute. Hello. Sir, it's audible now. Sir, it's audible. Okay, it's audible. So till now, 7 participants are joined.
Ramlaga sir.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Sir.
Okay.
கேக்குது sir.
Okay. We'll start this session within 2 minutes, sir.
ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிரலாம் சார்.
Okay. Okay, so we'll start the session, and so I don't have any PPTs, so we'll start the session. So all night, so this 1.5 hours we'll see about the important basic ICT tools through online contents for your teaching purpose. Okay, so do you have your mobile phone with you? Please. You can hold your mobile phone, because we'll do some of the activities using your mobile phones. Okay. So the first important tool for the interaction of students is the first tool in the ICT. We go for the tool is called Padlet. Okay, so the Padlet is the tool which will create the interactive dashboard to the students. Okay, Padlet, P-A-D-L-E-T, Padlet. Can you visible? So the Padlet, it's a tool which is easy to create the your class notes, your materials. Just suppose you want to share your materials to the students. This is the important tool. Okay. So this is the website, and had enrolled my websites. Okay. So the page which is like this is the front page. I enrolled this website. I can log in website, so it will be like login. So if you want to sign up, if you want to create a new account, user account, okay, then you can sign up the account using Padlet. Okay, so here you can make a Padlet. There are 4 options are there. You can make a Padlet, join a Padlet, and gallery. So you want to share any materials, books like your materials, PDF file, Word file, or image file, or YouTube link, any link you want to share to the students. Okay, you can make a Padlet. Like you can click this color, first one, make a Padlet, and you can select the templates. You can select any number of templates from here. So red, green, violet, like this. Okay, so you can select any type of Padlet from here, and you can start your Padlet. Okay, so the Padlet has been created here. So this is the you can copy this link. Okay, so you can copy this link to your Padlet, and you can share to the system. Okay, so this is my Padlet. Suppose here the thing is you want to create the material, you want to create a Padlet by using this plus icon, plus add post. In the bottom side, right side, you see this pink color button. Okay, so you can select this, click this button, and you can make a title. So which title you want to send to the students, which post you want to share to the students. Like, so I want to share my view to computer basics. Okay, so I want to share something about computer basics. Okay, and I have to write something in the folder computer, computer, something else we can make it. Okay, so we'll type something, and we can, if you want to upload anything here, you can upload it from this icon, upload, and you can pick the file. So right click, you can pick the file, and you can share any type of file. Suppose I want to share any one of the folder here. Suppose I want to share this PPT, and it can upload to the content to the this Padlet. Okay, okay. So it can be uploaded. Uploading process is going on. So it will take time. So it depends on the size of your uploading file. Okay. So it can upload, and you want to share anything in Padlet. Okay, like this. So it can, uploading process is going on. Okay, so I can open another window. I can, yeah. I can delete this, and I can create another one. So I can create some, or what are the topics? If you belongs to any departments, your department, then you can type any assignment you can give to the students. And I can simply the size of the I can take some size is very small, so some 3.151 KB I can upload. Okay. Okay, it can be uploaded. Okay, so like that we can upload any type of things in this. Suppose you want to edit this option, then you can edit the post and you can write something. Okay, and you can share to the people. Okay, so then press enter. So your pattern has been created. Okay, that's all. You can open in another link. That's all. It has been created. Okay, so then click this icon. Then you can write another content, and you can upload some website link. Enter the website you do want to share the link of your post. Okay, where a link the documents or YouTube link or something else you can share it now. You can share it through this YouTube link. Okay. Okay, suppose www.au some websites like YouTube link, you can share it now. You can share it by giving this link. Okay, and give the share. Okay, so likewise you can share the YouTube link. Okay, so in number of devices we can. So in a single pattern we can create most of two patterns only. You can create in a single Padlet form. Okay. So we can share this. You can see the top of the portion is the option is called share. You can share this to the link to the students by giving the copy link to the clipboard or email. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, or share it on Google Classroom. We'll see what is Google Classroom in the future. And save as image. So we can export this output as save as image, save as PDF, save as CSV, save as Excel sheet, or we can print the document. Okay, so I can give the save as PDF. Then my document has been published as PDF. Okay, sending your PDF to the publisher. Okay, so likewise any type of forms we can send to this Padlet. Okay, so I can share. You can see here. So the PDF has been created. Okay, that PDF link has been created. So we are creating this link one. This is the first one, and second one we created the YouTube. That video is not available here. Okay, so likewise we can create any number of sharing the content. Okay, so I can share the link to the. I can share the link. Can copy, you can select the first one, copy link to clipboard. Okay, then I can make hold 1 minute. If you have any doubts, we can ask in the chat box so that I can see your post and I can answer your questions. Yeah. Okay. So then I can share this link by using, I can click this button and then I can paste it the link, and you can see the link which is visible to all the user. So here you can see the content. Yeah, the content has been shared to you people. Okay, so the share. Suppose you want to join this forum. Okay, you want to join this forum, then you can click this icon. And you can join a Padlet. Okay, you can join in the Padlet. Okay, join a Padlet, and which link you want to share your views. Okay, I shared my link. No, this sharing link. This sharing link, we can paste it here, and you can submit. You can submit. Then you are supposed to answer my question in the forum. Okay, so now you are the user, like you are the 10 participants are the user. You can also join this Padlet by giving join a Padlet. So when you are giving the sign up page, then it will become to your window like hi, your name, then make a Padlet. This make a Padlet for you are creating Padlet to others. Suppose anybody wants to join your Padlet, then they can give this option, join a Padlet. So I can give my option, so you can submit. Then you are supposed to join my Padlet. Then you can click this icon, and you can share also share your feedbacks about the this content like my world and YouTube. Okay, can you please try it out? If you have mobile phone with you, you can go to this Padlet websites. You can go to this Padlet. Okay, then you can give the sign up, and you can make a Padlet. Okay, you can join a Padlet in my link I shared. No, I can share my link into the command box. 1 minute. I shared my Padlet link. You can find out in the chat box. You can, if you have mobile phone with you, you can go to this website, padlet.com. Then sign up. Okay, I can start from Google and search it. So you can type Padlet, and you can give sign up. Sign up. You can give the sign up, and you can create your Padlet. Okay. I can log in. I can log out from this link. You can log out. Then you can log in this link. You can give the sign up. You can log in. You can sign up by these 3 options using Google, Microsoft, and Apple. Or if you want to create account, your user email ID and password, you can create it. Okay. So anybody try it out? Anybody?
Sir, I have logged in, sir.
You are logged in. Okay, you have logged in into the portal, no? Padlet portal.
Yes, sir. It is asking membership.
No, it's free only. It's free only for upgradation. If you want to send more number of Padlets, then you can ask the upgrade. No option. Free. It's free
Okay,
only.
then,
Yeah, you can log in through this Google.
oh, okay.
Google, like your Gmail account, and you can log in.
So, okay. Sir, this page, sir.
Yeah, you can. Yeah. And go to
வீடியோ கால் கூட பேசிட்டு இருக்கீங்க.
sir, can you mute your mic? Somebody speaking. So you can join the Padlet and giving this my URL which I had shared in the box, in the chat box. Okay, you can copy this and you can paste it and you can join. This is, I shared the link. This is my data. If you are joined the link, then your icon will become here. You make a Padlet by using this button and you can write your thing. Okay, so that in your lab or something else, if you want to all the student must be in lab, they can log in this Padlet and suppose you are writing any if you want to give any content to the students in the lab or in the classroom, use it this Padlet e-learning content. Okay, you can share it, lab programs or tutorials, videos, anything you can share. Okay, so by giving plus button and you can write the title of the content and you can share it by uploading the file, uploading anything, uploading the file, and you can give the URL link. Okay, and by Google you can search it, the content and photographs and many more options are there. Okay, voice, you can do the voice sharing, screen sharing, drawing. Okay, drawing the content, you can write something else. Okay, like this we can, something else you can write like this, you can share, you can upload it. Okay, so any type of contents we can do it in the Padlet. Okay, so you can give the share, you can share it, you can share saving the drawing and it can be posted to the students. Okay, like this. Okay, so like this you can do any number of activities. Okay, activities you can do. Okay, so don't delete, you want to suppose to delete now, you can delete. So you can do any, you want to modify something else. Sir, can you sir, can you mute the mic?
Hi, hello, வணக்கம்.
Yeah, hello. சொல்லுங்க சொல்லுங்க மேடம். Hello. Okay, so anybody join in the Padlet, you can share the thing. In the dashboard you can see the join a Padlet and you can view the link. Okay, so this is the first ICT tool for ICT to the e-learning tool for sharing your materials, sharing your views to the students in the e-learning portal. Okay, so if you have any doubts regarding Padlet, so we'll see some of the important Padlets, important ICT tools today and tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow also will expand. Okay, so I have show a lot of tools to you people. So we'll do it tomorrow also. Okay, so this is the first tool. Okay, you can remember the name is called Padlet. Okay, so next tool, we go to the next important tool is called Ruby Star. Okay, have anybody heard about this term, this tool, Ruby Star? Have anybody seen this tool? Have anybody seen this tool, RubyStar? Hello? Hello, all the participants, have anybody seen this tool, RubyStar? This is a very, very important tool. It's a very wonderful tool, and it will create a student assessment process. Okay, a self-learning, self-assessment process. The faculty wants to evaluate the performance of the students by using this. For the students want to create a assessment. Okay, so you can go to this website, RubyStar for teachers.org tool, and you can create a rubric. Okay, create a rubric plus icon, and you can see so what type of customization you want to create. Okay, so it's a oral presentation, products, multimedia, and science, research and writing, work skills. Okay, so I'll show the mathematics, arts and science, music. Okay, so you can create any type of rubric by using this website. Reading. Okay, so say simply I can create one methodology in the oral project, like I can show by using mathematical problem solving. Okay, so you can ask your name, like this is the important fields. You can ask the name, like belong to so mathematical project name it will ask. So I can give the algebra. So you can ask the zip code. You can give some 6-digit code, sorry, 5-digit code. Okay, so this is the rubric structure. You can evaluate the performance of the students by giving the assignments like this. So I was given the tool as mathematics concepts. So it will ask which type of category you are supposed to explain to the students. You ask to the students in mathematical things. I can ask about mathematical concepts, reasoning, errors, use of manipulatives, working for others, explanation, checking, and neatness and organization, diagrams, completion, mathematical terminology and notation, strategy. Okay, suppose you want to add some mathematical concepts. Okay, then the marks which you are evaluating is based from higher rank 4, next to 3, 2, 1. Suppose like we are asking excellent, good, better, and bad. Like this, you can evaluate the student performance. So here they can given the tool. Okay, so the number 1 explanation shows very limited understanding of the concept given by the solution given by the students. Next one, the second one, explanation shows some understanding of the concept given by the students. And third one, explanation shows the substantial understanding of the mathematical concepts, substantial concepts. And fourth one is shows the complete understanding. You can see the words complete, substantial, somewhat, and very limited. So you have a lot of things you can, based on your things, you can create mathematical, working with others, and you can give the explanation. You can create the checking, and you can it's based on the thing. Okay, diagrams and sketches, and mathematical terminology and notation, and some strategy process, some neatness and organization. I was given neatness and organization. No, diagrams and sketches. Okay, so you can give the thing like strategy and procedures, completion. Okay, so the thing is, you want to given this task to the students, then after giving, then you can submit the rubric structure. Okay, So this teacher is given to, that is teacher is your name, that is your login is teacher login, and you are supposed to given to the students. The student can write their name, and they can explain their based on their concept. You can evaluate. Then we can make a printout. Okay, you can make a printout and it can available for online. Okay, so you can take the printout and print out your rubric. So you can take it the printout. Okay, it's based on the student assessment process, evaluation process, based on the concept. It's not only for mathematics. You can create your own rubric structure also. Okay, by giving this create rubric structure. Okay, and like my overall project, product, multimedia, science, research and writing, work skills, mathematics, arts and music. Okay, so this is a very, very important tool. We can go to this website, rubystarforteachers.org. Okay, so this website is powered by forteachers.org website. Okay, forteachers.tools. So this website you can find out a lot of tools. Okay, teaching and learning process tools. You have the quiz, you have the academic skill builder, classroom architecture, teacher tackle box. Okay, Webster. So I want to explain other one important thing is called project presentation. So here you can see the project presentation. So here you can select this icon and you can select the last one, project poster. Okay, you can select this project poster. So there are two options. One is to teacher login and another one is called student login. So I can log in my teacher's account. You can create your own account by giving the register. Okay, then you can log in this. Okay, so this is the project presentation. Suppose you want to add to the class. So which class you want to create the presentation, project presentation? Suppose I want to give my second CSC. Then you can create the second CSC and you can add the class. Okay, you can add the class. So here already I had created one and that is applied. So now I had created April 22nd, second CSC, and you can go to this option is called manage. Second option, manage. You can click this manage option, and you can creating the by giving the create worksheet. You can create worksheet. 1 minute. So by giving this worksheet, and here there are 4 options you want to create for project presentation. Like you insist to the students to create the project presentation for your subject or your lab or something else. Assignments, like you can create any type of things. So here I can go to, I had defined 4 important things: header and body, page content, links and image, and fonts and colors. I can select the next link. So what is the title of your worksheet? Like I was given some like COVID-19 or something else, some image we want to give, some digital India or something else. Okay, you can give digital India. So which type of header format you required? Like this format or this one, second one or third one? Which header format you require? You can select from the bottom position. Body format. Okay, then give the next button. And here the page headings, headings of your project presentation, like page headings. What presentation? Like digital India, we can go for some like Aadhaar card, digital Aadhaar card or something else. Okay. Okay. And subgetting, you want to give subgetting. This is optional only. Then required field. So this is the content where you can show your the things about Aadhaar card, digital Aadhaar card. Okay. So you can paste some contents here. You can paste the important contents, any contents, and give the next button here in the bottom. Okay, you want to give any links regarding this Digital India author card? You can give the digital links also. Okay, any links like digitalindia.gov.in, like this you can give. Okay, then you can you want to select, you want to upload any image here. This is image option. Then you can select this image and you can go to pictures and you can add some pictures. Okay, and image